Hello everybody and welcome to Luxury Benefits channel. My name is Sviatoslav and today I would like to talk about warning and precautions about ice exercise, how to do palming and how to find astigmatic points in ice. Warning and precautions about ice exercises. All exercises should be done very smoothly, very slowly. There is no need to tear the lines, because the oculomotor muscles are one of the most delicate muscles in our body. And it's very easy to strain them, tear them or even damage them. If you foolishly start move your eyes, they may spasm. The main point of ice gymnastics to get your muscle in a good shape and make them elastic and to return them ability to accommodate. The second warning, it's better to do less repetition in exercises but more often. Better 5 times by 3 minutes a day than once 20 minutes. Relaxation exercises can be done all day. If you have a day sit with palming, there will be no harm from this. Even if you go without glasses all day and do a central fixation exercises, this is also no any harm. The fact is that nearsighted people have their eyes extended forward, and due to the fact that the eyes are extended forward, the retina is very strained and tensed. It is for this reason that myopic people are prohibited from many professions, many types of work. Many sports are prohibited for them, because with some kind of sharp tension, the retina of the eye can peel off or rupture, and this leads to partial, sometimes complete loss of vision in the eyes. A lot of school students want to go in sports, martial arts, boxing, football. The first question from the coach: do you wear glasses? If they say yes, coach replied them, bye. There is no even a conversation. Why? Yes, because if something hits the head, a slight concussion, the retina can peel off. The child will go blind. The coach will be sent to a prison. The guys come, restore vision, make the eyes a round ball, the retina fits snugly to the bottom of the eyeball without stress. With such eyes, nothing is scary. With myopia, people who have severe myopia, their eyes are very strongly extended forward, and due to this, their retina is stretched and tense. That's why these people need to exercise very carefully. Perform no more than 3 to 4 repetitions of each exercise at once. When the eyes get used, they will not hurt. You can gradually add and build up your program. If a person has strong nearsightedness, then you need to work carefully, and especially it's necessary to find out if there was a detachment of the retina. Then with these people, it's necessary to work with extreme caution, because their eyes was predisposed to the fact that the retina can be detached. This means that you need to work with them slowly, gradually, without any quick jerks. Palming. Palming is a great exercise for relaxation of the eyes. After training the oculomotor muscles, or working on a computer, or using a smartphone, you need to fold your palms, put it on your eyes. You need to sit straight with the correct posture. Fingers crossed and put on your eyes. Pay attention that your nose sticks out between your little fingers, so that your nose breathes, so that your eyes in the middle of your palms, so that they can calmly open and close. Put your elbows on your knees, either on the armrest or on the table in front of you. How is the most convenient for you? In the palming exercise, your elbows must be on something solid, either on your knees or on the table in front of you. Eyes closed, calm down, relaxed. We begin our palming. We begin to relax the muscles of our eyes. You need to tell yourself that eyes are good, eyes are resting. Every day your eyes will see better and better. the eyes muscle in relaxation state. And now, myopic, nearsighted people imagine how the oblique muscles of the eyes relax, how the eyes become round like a ball, how they will perfectly see into the distance without any glasses. And the farsighted and who have flat eyes imagine how straight rectus muscles of the eyes relax, how they will allow the eyes easily stretch forward like a cucumber and see perfectly close up without any glasses. The retina of our eyes relaxes. Light sensitive cells, cones, rods relax. The vessels that feed the retina with blood are relaxed. By the way, people who wear glasses have a dramatically impaired blood supply to the eyes, and ophthalmologists on an ophthalmoscope immediately see people who wear glasses. They have a blue retina. People with normal eyesight, the retina is pink, saturated with blood nutrients, oxygen. By doing this exercise, we improve the blood supplies to our eyes. The cells of the optic nerve relax. The cells of the optic analyzer in the brain relaxed. Our entire optic tract is relaxed. Well, now we are resting and we are happy. Today we are in a great mood. Now it will be with us for a long time. And now we quietly and easily rubbed our eyes like children. Exhaled and open our eyes and blinking quickly. Then blink 5 times at least and look to the right, to the left, up and down. In order to better and faster relax eyes, Bates came up with 2 exercises under palming. He called the first mental representation, and every time you do palming, notice that there are some residual light images in front of your eyes. For example, a candle, a window, a light bulb, some kind of fog, clouds. This indicates that the optic tract is overexcited. The light doesn't fall on our eyes, but it seems to us that we are seeing something. And here Bates suggests to mentally imagine that you are, for example, in the theater. There is a large curtain in front of you. You are waiting for the start of a wonderful production show, and the curtain is getting blacker and darker. You can also mentally take a brush and paint over these glowing residual places. And the second exercise under palming, very important. Bates called it mental memory. And now everyone will remember something good, pleasant in your life. A pleasant moment, a pleasant trip. We have found that remembering something good that you are doing to people relaxes the psyche best. This pleasant memory relaxes the psyche, relaxes the muscles of the face, muscles of the eyes, and relaxation will give excellent vision to the eyes. This is the heart of the Bates method, relaxation, and then the relaxed oculomotor muscles are trained. How to find astigmatic points in eyes, and now everyone, both myopic and farsighted. Let's find astigmatic points in us. Everyone closed their left eye with the palm, and right eye looks at text and easily touch the right eye from below through the eyelid. Slightly and easily touch and look through the eyelid directly to the eyeball. The eye looks at text all the time. Then slightly press the side through the eyelid. Then slightly press it from above and look. We pressed it from the side and we look. And you will find such a point on the eye. Walk around the entire eye in a circle on which you press, and the eye immediately sees better in this position. This is the astigmatic point, so your eye is slightly curved in this direction, deformed, but you pressed it with your finger and immediately the eyes see better. By the way, for far-sighted and who have a flat eye, you need press from the side, from the very side, so it lengthens forward and you can see better. At this moment, far-sighted and myopic people, as a rule, from below or from the side or from above, there are several astigmatic points. Then blink and now close all the right eye and doing same on the left eye. Touch from below and look, then from the side and look, and you can find this point which you touch and the eye immediately see better at this moment. This is your astigmatic point. She, by the way, moving, and you will see in the process of training, she can go from bottom to top, sideways. As the muscle of the eyes relax, the muscles begin to press in different ways on the eye from different sides, and it's the astigmatic point floats. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Today we discussed warning and precautions about eyes exercises, how to do palming and how to find astigmatic points in eyes. I hope it will help you. Subscribe to my channel and we'll see you again.